Where are they?
Yeah, it's hard to find them after a while. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm just recording now because I'm on my way to go get my car. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is yet until you guys will see in this video, but we got Kaylee with us. We got Bentley. And Kaylee just got this new one. It's a GMC Terrain, right? We're liking it so far. It's pretty good. But we plan on recording some at the dealership too, so you guys can see all the cool cars and stuff that they got there. And then show you my car that I got. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. When we get closer, we'll be doing some more videos. Yo, what's up, guys? Getting a little bit closer. We're about 45 minutes away now. And it has been a long trip. I think this is like a 3-hour and 15-minute trip, 3.5 hour. And we've only stopped to go to the bathroom once. And I've been drinking a whole bunch.
Me, I haven't.
Yeah, she hasn't stopped at all because we stopped by the side of the road. And there's people all around the golf course. We're still stopping by the side of the road. It's like, Jesus Christ. But yeah, we're getting closer. I'm getting excited. But I really just got to use the bathroom. That's about it.
I'm hungry.
She's hungry. She's hangry. You're lucky I shut you off for a little bit. Say hi. He's just been playing his game over here. He's excited because he gets to ride in the front seat.
And he gets to see some Bentleys.
Because it's got no back seats. Oh, I should have told you that. Secret. Alright, guys, I'll start filming when we're walking in. Alright, later, guys.
Your destination is on the right.
What's up, guys? We are arriving at our destination finally. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my god, I'm really losing hair.
I still haven't got food.
Holy mac and cheese. Holy moly. Yeah, so we arrived. It's been a long trip. We're exhausted. We almost fought each other. And now we are there.
We're here, but there's no nice cars. Get the camera on.
No nice cars.
Look at that one.
Shoot, dude, there's tons of nice cars. There's Corvette parked over there.
That's so nice.
Yeah, nice cars over here. All right, guys. I guess, do you want to keep on recording? Oh, look at that. That's funny.
Oh, God, no, I'm not getting out. Go scare those things off. Where's my shoe? I'm not going to order.
Oh, my God.
No, I don't. They will attack you.
Oh, they're going to attack me, but I'm going to kill them.
I don't know if I should put that on.
I took it!
What's up, guys? Just walking into the dealership right now. My main man's over there on the phone right now. Making some deals, making stuff happen.
Can we Corvettes and stuff in here? Dude, there's a car.
No, hold this. I gotta go to the bathroom real quick.
Really? Brian, that's that one. That one.
Oh, yeah.
No, don't touch, okay? No, it's a McLaren. Look inside.
Y'all gonna see it?
I think so, yeah.
All right, buddy.
See it? Pretty cool. You wanna go see the Bentleys?
Yeah. Oh, my God.
Yeah.
How you guys doing?
Hi, good.
Come on, man. Yeah, yeah. He's already got me. Thank you, though.
Could you do this?
Of course. Sure, okay.
That is a Bentley.
That's my car right there, bud.
Very nice, huh?
Dude, I want these things.
That's named after you, bro.
No.
I think you might want your hair black.
I want to go.
Look at this, Bentley. BMWs? Or no? I know you don't want that. What about this one?
What's a Porsche? Is this a Porsche? Is there any Porsches here?
I don't know. You want to go find one?
No, let's go find
Look at this one.
That's definitely not a Porsche.
This is a Corvette.
Man, is that the motorcycle?
What is this, Brian?
this looks like, I'm guessing, old Corvette, maybe?
This is an old one.
What does it say in the back there? I think it's old Corvette.
Corvette. Bradley, come here and look at this one. Bradley, look at this. Isn't that weird looking? BMW. Yeah, it's all good. You want a Bolt? Because this is really, sporty.
That's nice, though. I was looking at these two. Yeah, that is nice. It's got a good touch to it.
It's a BMW.
Alright, do you want to go see the Bentleys?
No, I already did.
Frankie, you do this. I don't want to do this.
I already did.
I hate videotaping. I look so awkward.
This is our life now, alright?
Oh yeah,
Get
because
used to
YouTube,
this. This is it.
Mancave mission.
Yeah.
Billy, you want to see the other Bentley? Look. Billy, look at that red car.
That's a 370Z.
That is nice.
Pretty nice.
Here's a Porsche. Way in the back.
This is a Porsche.
Uh-huh.
Oh, the top didn't come off. What's this?
Mustang.
What's back here?
Probably.
That's where they do their pictures at right here, buddy, because it's got all the lighting. You see, they got all the lighting up here and stuff.
What's in the back? What's in the back?
It's nice.
The Jeep's not here anymore.
Nope, they must have sold it.
Here, you want to see my Range Rover?
Yeah, those are nice.
This is my Range Rover, okay? Billy? It's like when you open it, the whole thing lights up.
Yeah, it's got a huge touchscreen in there. You should open it up so they can see the touchscreen in the inside. Nice.
Billy, you want me to open this?
You
Come
said
here.
mine, they're going to think you actually bought it.
No, I really did not buy it. I wish, in my dreams.
Why is it wet?
You ready? Watch it. Look at that thing. Lights up.
Oh my god, everything lights up.
Everything lights up. Dash, everything. Look at the sunroof.
Oh my god.
If I get money from Mancave missions, buy me this car, okay?
Yeah, there you go.
Not kidding.
Yeah, it's nice. More cars in
It's
back,
matte.
too, but they got the good ones in there.
Billy, that's a van. They, yeah. Ooh, look at this one.
There's a $405,000 tote back there. There's a $400,000. Yeah, come look.
It's a what?
No, you got me in
Oh, your guy's coming.
Come on, bud.
Woo!
This is the bad baby. I guess.
I can't even do anything right now.
Yeah.
Oh crap, I don't even fit.
Is that nice or what, buddy?
Not really.
I'm excited. I'm happy. Should we pop the hood? So we can show them what the hood does? Should we wait till later? Nah, we can wait till later. Okay.
Oh, cold.
Wait, changing it, bud.
Press that trunk button right there, buddy. Trunk button right there.
Where?
Trunk button, bud.
Right there?
Yep.
I can pop the trunk?
You want to put it up or down?
Oh, I'm gonna leave it down for now. We can always change it. It's starting to get a little bit better. The sun is setting.
God. Wait, to put the
Whose
mat
cool
on.
car is that over
Let's
there?
leave it right now, bud. Climb on it, bud. We can do that.
This thing's sick.
Oh, it's so cold.
I'm rich.
I'm rich.
Where do we put the
It's right here, buddy. Are you right around there?
Right here?
You see it? It should be right up right here. See that?
Yeah, here.
Okay, pull it.
You're in my way.
Look crazy or what? That's cool.
Pretty cool. You gonna go ride in
What
it?
about that car? Ooh.
Where are they?
Yeah, it's hard to find them after a while.